So a few weeks ago, I decided to go ahead with an installation for a air source heat pump and underfloor heating, and that work started this week. And we opted for a 11 kilowatt heater and wet underfloor heating, meaning that the water runs through pipes. But I've been sat here literally in the cold for a week now. The job went over a little bit because of supplies not arriving, but jacket on, patio heater on, indoors, in my kitchen, whilst the house looks like a boom site. There's all the Jacko board getting ready for pipes. That's installed throughout the whole ground floor. So what's my verdict so far? So the company that I've used is called Marvel Heating. The consultant that came to see me was called Nigel. Very nice guy, very proficient, very knowledgeable in terms of the heating requirements of a home. Because initially I was going to go for solar panels and electric underfloor heating, and he rightly advised that you only need heating in the winter, not so much in summer, so you're going to be producing a surplus of solar energy. With an air source heat pump, you are running your energy much more efficiently, so for every kilowatt of energy used, the output is significantly higher than just a combination boiler, and work at their optimum in conjunction with underfloor heating. So we ditched the electric idea and went with a water-based system that's being installed. So the heat pump went live today. That's running fine. The water is fantastic. There's a 300 litre cylinder installed up in the loft. There's a EcoDan 11 kilowatt heat pump running outside. Two questions I had, which were my worries, is the air source heat pump noisy, and will the water be warm enough? Both of those answers is that it is very, very quiet, and the water temperature is fine. It's borderline scalding, so there's no issues there whatsoever. And I've got radiators running at the same time as well. It does take about 10 seconds for the hot water to start coming through, but when it does, it's piping hot. So that's really not a worry for you. So if anybody's thinking about getting an installation done, you can go to Marvel Heating. You can ask for Nigel. You can tell him that after I've recommended them, just sharing my experience with you guys. So far, it's been really good. They're a very communicative team, right from the director, Dwayne, Nigel, the consultant, the team that have come to do the work. Very happy with it so far, but I will reserve my full and final judgment until after the underfloor heating has been installed and I can see it working. But from the heat pump side of things, the air source heat pump, very, very happy. And don't forget to watch my other two videos that show the noise level of a Mitsubishi EcoDan air source heat pump running, close up to it and from a distance, and the second video showing how hot the water actually gets. So check those two videos out. Peace.